Do you also get confused while speaking numbers in French? So in this session, your confusion will get clear because we are going to learn numbers in French. Now we are going to see numbers from 1 to 100. Les nombres à 1 à 100. Now here you will see a lot of exceptions, lot of confusion will be created, but there are many things you will learn also and you will get confused also. Now we will see firstly the numbers from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you will see that I have just said two numbers exactly the same way, which are 6 and 10. So in French we say them cis and this. So there is no difference in pronunciation. We just say them cis and this. Only the S and the difference. Now we'll move forward from 11 to 16. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. As you can see, the numbers are ending with the sound of Z. Z. Then we will see numbers from 17 to 20, which are 17, 18, 19, and 20. We are saying 17 because it is 10 plus 7. We are saying 18 because it is 10 plus 8. And we are saying 19 because it is 10 plus 9. Now we will speak the numbers from 1 to 20 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Before going further, we will see the dozens. Les dozens. Les dozens. That are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70, 80, 90, and 100. We will see them in French. Les dozens. 10, 20, 30, 14, 50, 60, 70, 40, 20, 80, 90 et 100. Maintenant, les nombres 20 et 69. The numbers from 20 to 69. Numbers from 20 to 30. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Then numbers from 30 to 40. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Then numbers from 40 to 50. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Now the numbers from 50 to 60. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Now 60 to 69. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, and 69. Earlier to 69, we were using numbers from 1 to 9 to form numbers. But now we will use the numbers from 10 to 19 to form numbers. You will get these numbers really quick. Don't get worried about it. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 66, 77, 78, 79, 90. We just multiplied the number from 4 into 20, that came 80. Now we are going to see numbers from 80 to 89. As we are seeing that we multiplied the number by 4 by 20. So we will just again begin the numbers from 1 to 10 because we cannot add 11 in 4 by 20 because it will be a bigger number. We just have to make 81, 82, 83, 84. So we are just beginning again from numbers 1 to 10. I told you that it is a bit confusing, but when you will get to understand it, it will get easier for you. So 80, 81, that is 4, 80, 81. We are not adding and here because we are just saying 4 by 21. So we are not adding here and. So we are just saying it 81. Like this, we are just going to say 82 to 89. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Then we are going to have the best one, that is 90. And in 90 we are just saying it 80. We're just multiplying over here by 4 by 20 plus 10. And now here we are just going to again start the series from 10 to 19 because here it is starting with these and ending with 19. Now we are just starting with this. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 86, 97, 98, 99. And at last, song, which is 100. So, this was the second lesson of a French language series. Subscribe us for such more content. And if you want to have more informative knowledge about French language, contact us today.